Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. GAMESTOP is what we're looking at today. We're going to have a quick update on the charts, the areas I believe are sort of buy-in zones and the areas that are sell zones. I like to trade this stock a lot. I don't like holding it long term because it's very volatile and you miss out on gains. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on this stock. But again, it's not financial advice and it is just my opinion only. If you are holding GME, if you have any thoughts, do leave a like. I would appreciate all the likes. Do consider subscribing if you haven't already, and leave your comments down below. Friday was a very, sorry. Friday was very volatile for GME. This week as a whole has been very volatile. Roaring Kitty came out, did quite a terrible performance, and sent the stock down about 40% on the day. From the peak of the day, it was actually down about 45%. So it's been a very bad day. Remember, this is why I have sell zones. On one of those sell zones, I have not changed it since. It was around $48. We got it to the absolute T. $48 was the sell zone. It acted as resistance on not only Friday but Thursday, so that was the area to get out. Now we're coming up to this upwards trending support. It's not the strongest thing, however, if we hold this area that we're at now, it does show that more market participants are holding it. There are higher lows, which is good for the stock. The next sort of support would be around the moving averages between $15 and $17. So my first buy-in zone would be probably around 15 to 17 if I was looking to hold this stock, which I'm not actually. Um, uh, then to sell again, if it ever comes back to $47, it would be my first area to sell. The next area would be $67, and the next area would be $80. Those are my key areas for this stock. Looking at the MACD, it is green but trending down, so the momentum is still on your side. However, it's sort of fading away, and on the RSI you were oversold and now you're back to neutral area, so you're not bullish or bearish on the RSI. On the daily, you start turning over to the weekly. You can see it was quite a bad candle on the week. It tested as resistance, ended up closing red. The weekly moving averages, the MACD, is looking good. It's continuing to the upside, so the momentum is there on the more longer term, and it is actually overbought, however, on the RSI. So keep that in mind when investing into GME. The market cap is about $8.6 billion, and I'll keep you updated on any new data that comes out for GME. Leave me your thoughts down below, and do consider subscribing and hitting the like button. I'll have the related videos for GME over here and over here. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.